Howdy, with this video I want to show you how to complete journals number 1 and number 2. They're not due till next Monday, September 30th, but a couple of people have asked about it, so I'm going to go ahead and do this video and show you how to get started. Just go over the schedule real quickly. Don't forget the schedule starts on page 6 of the syllabus. So we're just going to scroll down there. The syllabus is on the content page for the course. And there's the class schedule. So if you're kind of wondering where's he getting all this stuff from, this coming from the class schedule for this Thursday. The intro paragraph and syllabus quiz are due. There's videos up there showing you how to do that, and then this video is going to talk about journals number 1 and 2, which are due next Monday. After that, we'll start working on the first writing, the descriptive paragraph. Fairly short paragraph. It's not easy, but it's fairly short to start off with, and then we'll build from there. Alrighty, so if you go to the content page in D2L. So we're in the course here, and we're going to click on content. And by the way, whatever the last thing you access in the content page, that's the page that's going to come up. So make sure you come down to the left side scrolling menu, and here we're going to go to journal entries, and then there's journal entry prompts. And you're going to see them all there. For the first one, well, actually, let me explain it in a little more detail. The journal entries are just pre-writing exercises, kind of get you ready for the essay. This first one's kind of getting you ready for the club course in general. But they're free writing exercises. The idea is that you get to the word count as fast as you can. You want to use legible English, and you want to show me you responded to the prompt. But don't hang on every word. Don't try and write the greatest journal entry ever written. Get to 125 words as fast as you can. Go back, do spell check real quick, and call it a day. Make sure you show me you thought about the prompt and made the word count. So when it says I will not grade these entries on spelling, grammar, or sentence structure, I kind of mean it. Again, you just can't write I'm a little white butterfly 25 times. But you want to show me you responded to the prompt and made the word count. Also, note you don't have to respond to every question within a prompt. There's quite a few questions in some of these. Once you get to the word count, you're done. You don't have to answer every single question there. We're going to do these 2 at a time throughout the semester. The first 2 just kind of getting us going into class, thinking about how we write and things like that. So the first one, I just want you to discuss your general experiences with writing in school. When's the last time you wrote an essay? Did you have good experiences with writing? Surprisingly, a lot of students yeah, I kind of liked writing. I just didn't do much of it when I was in high school. And then you're just gonna kind of go through the prompts there, pick which ones you want to respond to, and again get to 125 words with each entry as fast as you can. If you get 200 words in one entry, you still got to do 125 words with the next one. It's not an average of the word count. It's 125 words with each one. The second one, I want you to read the parable of the talents from the Bible. Not trying to convert anybody. Nobody's going to change religions in this class or anything, right? But I want you to think about what kind of talents you have, what sets you apart from the crowd. Why you wanted to plant is kind of the big question, and whether your talents are God-given or natural selection and your parents' genetics or whatever. I just want you to kind of think about that for a little bit and how you're going to develop these talents and use them possibly in your profession or maybe not. It kind of depends on what your talents are. We discover talents throughout our lives too. So if some of you are older, you're going to realize some I didn't discover until I was in my 40s. So it's kind of a fun part of life, in my opinion. But again, read the prompt, contemplate it deeply for about 20, 30 seconds, and then get to 125 words as fast as you can. You can always go over the word count. Don't go under, though. And those are going to be the first 2. I want both of them in one document. So do exactly what you did with the introduction paragraph. And just, instead of my wonderful life, type journal entry number 1. Create the journal entry. Then when you're done with that, go down, just, hit enter, type in journal number 2, and then do journal number 2. Keep it all in one document and submit that into the assignments Dropbox, and you'll have your journal entries, the first 2 done. It's just those first 2 we're doing for next Monday. If you have any questions about it, be sure to let me know, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.